Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the additional. The additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday, November the 28th, 2029, almost end of the month. I want to remind you the first Friday of the next month. Friday, yes. This Friday, we have a speed test, yes. We have here in this additional 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars Sudoku. 2 tectonics, aka jigsaw Sudokus. 1 with 4 stars, and 1 with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it Saiva block. In Japanese, Suguru. And the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. And these puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all, only half of them I will solve. Why? Well, it's too much for me. Time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. The first puzzle will be 7525. It's a 3 stars puzzle. Is this really a 3 stars? Don't think so. It has 29 printed digits. 29. Well, should be a 0 stars. And for 0 stars, I need to be faster than 14, maybe 13 minutes. Usually the 3 star Sudoku has 25 printed digits. This one has 4 printed digits more, but it's indicated with 3 stars, and for a 3 stars puzzle I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Okay, 4 missing numbers in this column. Middle column, 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and 8. We have 4 and 8 in this big square, so no 4 and 8 in these 2 boxes. 4 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have 8 in the last row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 4 goes in there. Then 2, 2. Need a 2 here. Need a 4 here. 4 in this row. 4 in the third row. So the row between the second row. Only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in the first column. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in this row. 4 in the last row. So the row between. Only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be there. Alright. 9, 9. Then let me see. How about two. Need a 2 here. 2 missing numbers in the middle column for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have a 3 in the first row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 6 goes there. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this row. So no 2 in these 3 boxes. Here, 2 in this column. No 2 in those 2 boxes. So the 2 in this big square could be here, could be there. Let me mark those. 3 in the first row. 3. Oh, no. We have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. 2 in the second row. So the first row, the only place level 2 should be there. I need a 2 here. 2 in this column. 2 in the middle column. So the column next. Only 3 place level 2 should be here, or there. We have 2 in the last row. No 2 there. 2 in the row above. No 2 there. Only place level 2 should be there. 2 in the first column. 2 in the second column. So the fifth column. Only 2 place level 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only 2 place level 2 should be here or there. We have 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be here. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 2. We have a 2 in this column, so no 2 there, 2 should be there. And all the 2's are used. I can see digit number 1, number 2. And all the 4's are used. I can see digit number 2, number 4. Okay, now let me see. 6, 6. Yeah. Need a 1 here. Three missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square. Should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. From must 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing, and a 7 is missing. 6 and a 7, 6 and a 7. Let me mark those two boxes. 6 in one of those two boxes in this column. The 6 in the middle column. So the column next. Only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this middle row. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in this row. 6 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6, 6. Okay. 6, 6, 6. 6, 6. Need a 6 here. Need a 6 there. Well, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 in these two boxes. Here, 6 in the first column. No 6 in that box. So the 6 in this big square could be here, could be there. 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next. So that column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in one of those two boxes in the third row. So no 6 there. 6 should be there. Alright, 8 in the third row, 8 in the first row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the last column, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in the last column, 8 in the column next. So that column, only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the last row, no 8 there, 8 should be there. At 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left for 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this column, third column, no 8 there. 8 should be there, and all the 8s are used, I can see. This is number 3, number 8. Alright, then 1, 5, 7. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, 6 and a 7 is missing. 1, 5, 7, 1, 5, 7, 1, 5, 7, 1, 5, 7. This box can be a 1. We have a 1 here. And can be a 5. We have a 5 in this column. So the 1 and the 5 goes in those two boxes as pair. 1 and 5, 1 and 5. We have a 5 in the last column. No 5 there. 5 should be here and a 1 goes there. So 1 is left in this big square for the number 7. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Need a 5 here. Need 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. We have 7 third row, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 5 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9 is missing. So we have a 9 in the first row, 9 in the second row, so the third row. The only 2 places left for the 9 goes together with the 6 as a pair. 9 and 6, 9 and 6. We have a 9 in the third column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 1 box left in this second row for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. Then 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 1 and 5, 1 and 5. Let me mark those. How about 9 and the 7? Here 1 and 3. Interesting. Then need a 3 here. Yes, in this row we need a 3. Here can be 3. We have 3 in this column, no 3 there. Here can be 3. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. So the only place left with 3 should be there. 3 in the first column, 3 in the second column, so in the third column, the only 2 places left with 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 3 in this row, 3 in the row below. So last row, only 2 places left with 3 could be here, could be there. Here could be also a 3. Cannot continue with the 3 now. How about 179? 3 missing numbers in the first column. Those missing numbers are 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. 7 is missing, the 8 and the 9 is missing. 179. 179, 179, 179. And look, we have a 7 and a 9 in this row. So no 7 and 9 in this box. 7 and 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 79, 79. So 1 digit left should be the 1. 1 and a 5, we have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here. Oh, there, we have a 1 in the last column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next. So in that column, only place left for the 1 should be there. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. 3 in this column, last column, 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 3. Okay. Then. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 6 and 7 is missing. 5 and 7, 5 and 7. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. Here, 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. Here, 7 and 6. Well, cannot place the 7 here in the last row because we have a 7 in one of those 2 boxes in this big square. So here should be the 6. Here should be the 7. 1 box left in this big square for number 6. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing, 8 and 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7, 9. We have a pair here. So these 2 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 1 and 5, 1 and 5. Well, cannot fill this yet. How about these 2 missing numbers in this big square? I believe the 9 and the 7. 9 and the 7. 7 and a 5. We have a 5 in this row. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 7 goes there. 9 and a 7. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be here. 9 goes there. 7 and a 9. We have a 9 in the last column. No 9 there. 9 should be here. 7 goes there. 9 and a 7. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. 7 goes there. 1 and a 5. We have a 5 in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 1 goes there. Finally, 2 numbers. 1 and a 7. We have a 1 in the second column. No 1 there. 1 should be here. 7 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Well, we solved it again. We solved it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it to solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you later on with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.